Alright, what's going on, guys? So, a little update. We got to where we were gonna go camp, and the kiosk was closed. It said that if we were to camp illegally, quote unquote, that it would be a $303 fine. So we didn't know what to do. We were almost gonna just drive back 2 hours the way we came to a different campsite, but decided to wait for a ranger because where we're at, they patrol this place pretty often. So we decided to just wait and see if we can ask permission rather than forgiveness, I guess. So we are here because we did ask, and he's told us where to go to be more safe, that he wouldn't give us a ticket for the night, but he's not saying other rangers won't.
Yeah, he's cool.
So, but you want to tell him where we're at?
So we ended up going to Pismo. At Pismo Beach, Oceano Dunes.
Oh yeah. So got a fire going already. Can probably hear the ocean in the background maybe, but there's a fire.
Yeah.
But,
Got here late.
Real late. You can hear people. Everyone's got like their cool lights set up on their trailers. There's people out in the dunes way out there. You can't see nothing, but they're out there. You can hear them on their side-by-sides and quads, maybe doing some knickknacks or something, you know. But sorry for the lighting, it's terrible. All right, well, we're ranting, but we'll catch back up with you in the morning. Hey guys, well, we're out here at Pismo. It's a nice morning. It's not too cold at all. It's probably about 55, 60 maybe, somewhere around there. It's actually really nice. See the ocean. And well, last night we were chilling around the fire. Some people came in real late, set up tents, and they're already gone. And where all those birds are and everything, they left a lot of trash. Don't be like these people, guys. Leave no trace, so we can all come and enjoy these places in the future, as well as our kids. Because, you know, all this fencing out here is pretty new. They're shutting more and more down with Pismo. And it's because probably of people like this. So you know what I'm gonna do is take people a favor and clean up for them. But look at this. Turn the camera around. Look at this trash they left. Ridiculous. Don't be like these people. Well, we did our good duty. We got our bag of trash. Don't be like those people, guys. All right. I know many of you that are probably watching this video watch other, you know, camping videos as well. I'm sure they tell you the same thing. Leave no trace. Just don't do it.
Don't be a jerk.
Yeah, don't be a jerk. There are people like buried their trash in like piles of sand. All right, guys. Well, we're all packed up, ready to head out of Pismo.
A successful trip.
Fun times. Too bad we couldn't record more last night. It was real late, no lighting, and yeah. So we'll catch you guys on the next one. Everybody, this is how you dispose of your trash properly.
As in rip the bag.
Don't rip the bag though. Or watch this. It's not that hard. They have a big dumpster for you to throw it in. And done. Leave no trace, everyone, so we can keep coming here.